Take a ride in the 2026 Kona. The Hyundai Kona provides a wide variety of functionality in a small SUV body. The energetic design is perfect for those looking to marry their adventurous side with their urban lifestyle. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.